Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Isa if you don't know me. I do a lot of lifestyle, fashion, tech kind of videos. So if you like that kind of stuff, you can subscribe down below and make sure to hit that notification bell so you don't miss another video. So you guys, today we have an extra video for this week. So today is Wednesday and my uploading schedule, if you're new, is actually Monday and Saturday. But if I have time, I will make an extra video on Wednesdays. So also to mention really quick, I do make videos, one video a week in Spanish on Saturdays. So if you like that content as well, you can go ahead and subscribe. Today's video, we are going to declutter all of my Apple devices. So if you're new, I have a bunch of videos on my Apple devices because I am an Apple literal nerd. I love everything Apple. Let's go on and get started with today's video. Okay guys, so here I have my computer. I have the MacBook Pro, the 16-inch, and well, I have so many things opened. Like, you have no idea. We need to declutter a lot of things. First of all, let's start to close some apps. So like the Spotify, let's close all of these Finder tabs. And my background is not that messy, but I do need to like clean up some of the things that I do have. Let's go to the next thing right here. Let me keep this one, my Outlook, this one, and yeah, I'm buying some stuff from Shein, I don't know how you say it, but I'm going to leave this one's opened, but for now, here I have to change the background, and here, let's close everything in here. Yeah, I think I can close everything here. Yeah. Next, I have so many random tabs opened. So all of these stuff I can also close. Okay, so now we have my like screensaver right here. Let's go to Finder. Let's go to desktop and just get rid of some of these screenshots that I have right here, and let's put them in all. That's what I do normally. It's not that messy right now, so that's good. So as you can see right here, I have all of my folders. So I have a lot of folders on there. What I'm gonna do is, I think this is very clean, so I need to change this background. So let's go to System Preferences. Let's go to Desktop and Screensaver, and I have this right here. If you're wondering, this screensaver, the wallpaper, I made it on Canva, and all of the pictures are from Pinterest. The only thing that is not from Pinterest, obviously, is this one right here. It's kind of like the milestone that I want to get, 10K subscribers. Other things, let's quit some of the apps here down below. Okay, so this is my screen, very clean. Well, my launchpad is very organized because I did this a while ago. I do want to share some of the things that some of the apps that I use a lot is Notion, Word, GoodNotes. Here I use a lot MiniPlay. I've talked about these a lot on my videos. Also, let's just close some of the screens. So I like to have a lot of screens on top of here, because I do tend to do a lot of stuff in different screens. So maybe if I'm editing a video, I edit that on a different screen, because if I put everything on one single screen, my laptop just does not take that. So let's go to my iPad. Okay, so this is my iPad. This is what I have. The first page right here is kind of very organized, because I did do a video on this a couple days ago. I do want to get rid of some widgets, so let's do that. Some widgets that I don't use like at all. This one, and actually let's get rid of this one, but I'm going to put, oh my god, I didn't know that you can put Procreate. That's so cool. You can put your artwork. Oh my god, I didn't know that. That's so cool. Okay, here it is. So I Am is an app that I really enjoy, and it kind of tells you and reminds you of positive affirmations throughout the day. So I like putting that there. Let's move this here. And there you go. My happiness comes from within me. Just things like that, very positive things. These are my widgets. I really like them now. Okay, so these apps right here are kind of the apps that I mostly use, but some of the apps I don't use. So I do want to take out some of the apps. Expert, so I want to take that out. So I'm going to put them in the other page just for now, and when we get there on the other page, we are going to organize everything. I also want to get rid of some apps that I don't use. These apps I actually do use a lot, so those are the apps that I'm going to leave there. So on here, I'm going to go folder by folder, kind of reorganizing, deleting some apps, and renaming some folders. Okay, this one is literally named folder, but I am going to leave that name. I'm not going to use it. This right here, I don't use them. That's it. For entertainment, I am going to change this name to games. So I have all three that are games, and these ones are not, obviously. So I'm going to take these out. So that is the games folder. I don't play that much. Social media, I do have all of the social media apps. Kind of not, obviously not all social media, but just very similar. Yeah, I'm going to put their Etsy, HBO Max. Oh, I'm going to delete this because that doesn't exist anymore. I'm going to delete Twitter because literally I don't use Twitter. Uber, obviously, I'm not gonna order an Uber from the iPad. Now let's go to editing. So here I do have a lot of editing apps. Let's put Lightroom in there because that is an editing app, and Velo too, and Photoshop. So, okay, I'm going to delete HDR+. So I'm going to erase Magic Eraser. Actually, I'm going to delete Photoshop because I don't use it. I'm going to delete also LumaFusion. I'm going to delete Facetune. I don't use it. Next one is customization. So this is pretty accurate. What I call customization are the widgets. So these are all the apps that use widgets. So like the flip clock, color widgets, photo widgets, everything like that. I'm going to leave that as it is. Next is productivity. I need to change this name because this is not productivity at all. Let's put other because these are mostly just apps that come with the iPad. So utilities, yeah, I'm gonna leave that there. And the last one is college. So I do have Teams. The files, Remini. Okay, Remini does not go here. This goes in editing. Ibis Paint X also goes in editing. Okay, so that is going to be it for the iPad. Let's go on with the iPhone. Okay, so now I have my iPhone right here. Basically what I want to do is get rid of a lot of widgets because I am very fed up about the widgets, honestly. I also want to change the background of like the wallpaper that I have and kind of organize a little bit more all of my apps because I do have a lot of random apps. Actually, first let's change the wallpaper. So I actually need to airdrop the wallpaper from my iPad. Wallpaper, And let's change the wallpaper. Okay, so look at that difference. Love it. I want to get rid of this. And yeah, I'm going to leave the battery life because I actually do use that. It really helps me to kind of know my battery life because it's like really big right there and you can see it really well. I do want to get rid of this one and this one. I think I'm going to leave this one right here, and please let's get rid of this one and also this one and this one too. And I don't have, okay, so now let's organize. So I'm going to start to move the apps to the other side.
You said you want me to leave you. I know it's not true, 'cause you want me to.
Okay, so now I'm going to move the folders that I have on here.
You said try to stop loving you. How can it be true? You love me near you.
Okay, so I'm done organizing the first page. I want to erase some of the apps that I don't use. So for example, on here I have a folder that is called Photo and Video. I don't really use Font Candy anymore, so let's get rid of that. I don't even know what this is. And that is going to be it for my first page of organization. I do want to change the photo of this widget, so let's go to Pinterest.
You stop pretending to us. Let me reach out your love. Just let the feelings grow. Let the love guide you.
So you guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss another video. I am so glad that you watched my video. Thank you so much. I appreciate it so much. And yeah, I will see you in my next one. Bye!